Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sarah DiSalvo for the plaintiff.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joel Odou on behalf of the real water defendants, including Infinity.
Good morning. All right, so we're here on a status check discovery. How's it going? Do you need my intervention in any way?
I don't believe so. I think that for plaintiff, we are waiting to see how the bankruptcy proceeding continues. And the closer we get to deadlines, the more movement we'll probably make in an abundance of caution.
Okay. So one of the things that I did notice in the original scheduling order is that the jury trial is currently scheduled for April 21st. That is actually my criminal stack in 25. So we are going to have to move that. But I guess one of the concerns that I have as far as bankruptcy proceedings, is this a matter that's going to be stayed as a result of bankruptcy proceedings anyway?
Your Honor, Joel Odou for real water. I can certainly add to that if that's acceptable to the court.
Please. I asked the question, so yes, please.
Thank you. Your Honor, there have been 2 real water trials that have resulted in verdicts well in excess of any available insurance. There is a motion that has been pending since January 17th in the bankruptcy court to approve a settlement that would in fact exhaust the policies. The bankruptcy court has indicated that they will either rule or, well, obviously 3 things can happen, right? The court could rule yes, no, or maybe, or not at all. So maybe 4 things. But the court's going to issue a ruling sometime, as they said, quote unquote, shortly, whatever that means. So there's a high likelihood that the real water defendants, by the time this case goes to trial, will have in some way resolved this. We don't know which way yet. But it doesn't seem like moving the trial is going to be a problem. Currently, there are 2 other real water trials set for this April 21st date. So pushing it back is not a problem for real water. Obviously, we want to move these cases forward. We want to get them tried. The 3rd trial is set for next week. So these cases are going to trial while we're awaiting whatever the bankruptcy court's going to do or not do.
Okay.
End of May, end of June.
So we can set you on the end of May into June stack. It begins May 27th. How does that work for everyone?
That would be fine with real water, Your Honor. Joel Odou. There's another case set in front of Judge Johnson at that time. We have no problem staggering them. These trials are getting shorter. And so as long as the court would be okay, I don't know which case has the older case number, but I would presume that case would go first. And then the case with the newer case number would go second. This is a 23 case. So I think that Zimmerman case is probably older. I have no problem with them being on the same stack as long as they don't start at the exact same time.
Okay. Ms. DiSalvo, how about for you?
I would agree. The Zimmerman case that's also on stack is in our office as well. But as long as they don't fall on the same date, I think we'll be fine.
Well, we can
And also wouldn't be opposed to consolidating them just for plaintiff's knowledge.
Well, I guess that's a Judge Johnson decision.
Yes,
right?
I'm just throwing that out there as a way to more efficiently move these forward.
Got it. Okay, so let's put you on that May stack, May to June, and we will address where this goes in the stack if it's not consolidated.
Sounds great.
All right.
Pre-trial conference, February 25th, 9 a.m. Trial readiness, March 25th, 9 a.m. Calendar call, April 29th, 9 a.m. Jury trial, May 27th, 1 p.m. We want to do a status check before that?
No, it doesn't look like that's going to be necessary. Okay. All right. Thank you all. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a good one.